The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, fellas. Guys, very good morning. Can I get a sound check, please? All right. Thank you. If you guys haven't noticed, yesterday was another very low volume day. Very low volume again yesterday. We're kind of back to where we were last week with the low volume. We were down on very low volume, guys. Today is starting out similar with garbage volume. You folks are here on trial. Good morning and welcome. Guys, we have ADP at 8:15. I have turned off my bots ahead of that news, although I could probably leave them on because there's nothing going on. ES has taken one trade. We did have a trade on ES for a winner. It actually hit second target, but again, I trade one contract on the ES. It got first target. That is it. Today is crude inventory day. Consequently, I don't run the bot on Wednesday. So no trades on crude. NASDAQ, if you can believe it, has not taken a trade. Not a single trade on the NASDAQ. I don't think I've ever seen that. 2 hours and not a trade. YM has taken one trade. Winner to first target. Up 55 bucks. We're up a whopping $130. Nothing on gold. No trades on gold. Morning, Albert. Where's your brother been, man? Morning, Barry. Slow morning, fellas. We do have a short right now on the NASDAQ. If you guys, want to trade ahead of the news. NASDAQ is a short. And it's not, this is just a small little dink and dunk trade, but we do have sellers. I'm not taking the trade. I'll wait till after ADP. But it is ugly, fellas. Mark, good morning. Very good morning to you. Guys, good morning. Good morning. Today is Wednesday. It is April 5th. Friday is a federal holiday. It's Good Friday. And it looks like everybody is left for Easter. This is just terrible. Before I do anything else, let's take a look at volume. All right. So here's what we know. Here's what I know. Average daily volume on the NASDAQ when we come in at 8 o'clock in the morning. Average is 68,000 contracts. So we're a couple thousand contracts below average. Not that big a deal, but there's really not much movement here. Overnight inventory is short. Average daily volume on the ES is about 140,000 contracts. We're, give or take 12,000 contracts light on average daily volume. We do have almost 1,900 net sellers. Overnight inventory is short. Gold, we're right about average, just under. Average is about 54,000 contracts. 250 net sellers. Crude is very light. It is inventory day. Crude is very light. We've got an unfinished auction at the top of the current candle, but we have one below to trade to at 51 and one even lower at 32. Crude has not really left that range it's been in since Sunday evening. Bond yields are falling. ZB is long. And natural gas, decent volume, average volume, I guess. Small net buyers. It's like they've started the holiday week early. Earnings start next week. Next week will be, next week should be a very good week, and it should be a fun week. My advice to you guys is make your money and get gone today. Unless barring some unforeseen circumstance here, it looks like we're going to get some early morning movement, and that's going to be it. Now, yesterday afternoon was a very good afternoon with the low volume price was, pinging off of support and resistance levels. And in about 2 hours that we were in the room, I think I did somewhere around 15 or 1600. It was a pretty good afternoon. But again, it respected levels. In any event, we'll trade what we see, guys. We'll see what we can do today. And we trade the markets we have, not the ones we want. U.S. government required disclaimer: futures and options trading has large potential rewards. Good morning, Don. But also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Don't trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts and please trade according to your tolerance for risk. If you guys want a couple of ticks pre-market, feel free to take them. Below 20, new candle. Come on. Missed target by about 2 ticks. Come on down. I'm on the close, guys. Doesn't look like it's going to break lower. Looks like it wants to go up again. I'm flat. Nothing. Didn't give me target. I'm flat. May still work. I don't think this is going very far. I'll try it again up here at 42. Yeah, I see that. There's a big, huge, I see this. Somebody bought 178 contracts. One trade. That's not a retail buyer. I'll mark that. See if buyers come in again at that price. If we break out over 250, we've got a long ways to go. ES traded up into that first area of resistance. I'll move above and through that, and we start working up to 40. I'd look for that 220 area now to be some support. You could try the long here, 26. See if we hit this trend line here at 20. I'll try a 21. I'll try a 21. Right off that. Oh, you didn't do that. 22 and a quarter. Okay, long 21. Another buyer here. It's got to hold here. It's got a bounce VWAP. Nope. Come on, get up there. I'm on the close. Come on, get up. Get up back above 18. It's good. Above 18, it's good. I'm out. I'm out. Still think it's good above 18. Yeah, this is pre-market news. I took a whack. I'm down 350 bucks. That big buyer up top is not worried about this. Doesn't look like I'm going to get a pullback to add in. Got a seller showed up here. We're setting up to come back down. You might want to take your ticks off. We're going to get a retracement. I would look to be long 44. Unless you guys want to sit with it. Still a sequential. 65, 55. No, okay, it's gone. 57. It's gone. Sequential decline's gone. Block by 11 contracts at 48.7. Here we go. Come on, seriously? We got a double top? Yeah. Need to break this. 26 buyers on top. Again, a sequential decline, 3 ticks. 40, 36, 26. I'm flat. I'm flat. I'll watch gold. This could still break out, guys. I just don't like that double top. I would prefer it now. We may get one more burst here, but pay attention to your 95 and your 68. They're raising. This is going to pull back. All right, fellas. It's that time. I like gold long, and I think we get 56 today. I would much rather 51's the next major resistance. Here it goes. No, I didn't bang it through yet. All right, fellas. It is breakfast time. I'll be back at 9:20. $22 ticks. It's right on support. This is, come on, dude. There it is, got target. Okay. We got target on the gold bot. YM catching a small bid. Here's where we're at. $75 green in the ES. You know I don't run crude today. NASDAQ down 275. YM up 55. And now that gold short up 220. So net positive, but not much. So here's here's gold. Gold just traded into the downtrend line and bounced off the downtrend line, back tested the breakout, and this is probably where we go back up. We're off, fellas. We're off. Bots are on. There's yesterday's low. Man, that 15-minute trade was a whale. Sellers on the open, they're not excessive. Let me take a look here. Yeah, we're probably headed down near 150. And then SPX gap down probably to 90. See what we get. Nice bounce on gold. Very nice bounce on gold. 40. $4 bounce. Jeez. I'm watching for gold. Gold now has to break up. I would take gold long at 45.3. 45.3. Watching NASDAQ. We're already getting a bounce, guys, in the indices. Or SPX at least. NASDAQ on the hourly, 150. 700 sellers, guys. It is really anemic. Here comes gold if you like gold. Gold just filled the long. God, that was a hell of a bounce off the bottom of that channel. $5. Let NASDAQ and ES chop around. NASDAQ's in a buy zone here, guys. It's in a buy. It's already bouncing. I was watching that gold. NASDAQ's in a buy zone. There we go. Come on, bounce out of this zone. This whole area is a buyer. This whole area is a buy zone, and then one below it as well. I like this one better. Got buyers coming in. Let's see if we get a small pullback here. Where's my other chart? Hang on, guys. Not yet. Small sellers. What do we have at 9:45? Can't be anything significant. NASDAQ bot shorted, target filled, back into this buy zone. Still holding that zone. Target one only. I have the break even on, guys, on the NASDAQ and on the YM for now. If we come back up through 68, I would be interested in that. ES starting to move lower as well. Oh, ISM manufacturing. Thank you. That's at 10, isn't it? We're still holding this buy zone. There are no buyers yet. Looks like 150. I'll be long 50 with an add-in at 41. Whoop, cancel that. Not what I wanted again. There we go. 50, we hit 52 and 40. They're selling them hard, guys, so we're catching a knife here. Just understand, it's a fairly strong down move. But 50, all right, 50 entered. I have no ATM on. Needs to get above 56.50. Now this is going to be resistance here at 55. You can take some money if you want it. No buyers. Buyers now coming. I took one long on both a PA account and here. I'll take one off. Come on, get above 61 and go. Got to get above 61, fellas. 61. You want to take risk off, feel free. Still have no buyers. Gave money, so I'm long one in a PA account, one in the combine account. Pending 40. Have no buyers. We're up to 1,800 sellers. No buyers. If you guys want to close the trade, your prerogative. You can get out at even or a few ticks. Made money on the first contract off. Got to get above 61. There are no buyers yet. They're selling the living bejesus out of this thing. Still. It's getting absorbed. Here's our, there we go. Come on, push. Yeah, now it's fouling the buy zone. Come on, give me some buyers. There are small buyers in here. Net negative delta is increasing. We get above 61, they're going to torch these freaking shorts. They're going to rocket them. They're going to rock them. All right, I'm going to take, come on. All right, I'm flat on the PA account for now. Come on, let's go. Man up, buddy, man up. I'm trying to get to target here at 66. So let's call it 64.50. It's kind of where I'd like to get out of this. No. Still no buyers. Almost 1,800 net sellers. And they're not driving it really anywhere, but we can't get up through what was support is now a resistance zone. If we get up near this 66.7, I'll look for the short up there. There we go, 40. No 40. I mean, I think we have the right area for the push higher, guys. There's a bot trade somewhere. YM short. This might be a better micro trade for you guys. Here we go. I killed it for now, guys. Killed it. Let's get some damn buyers in here. You guys good? Guess we're going to wait on 9:45 news, whatever that may be. Yesterday's low was 68 and a quarter. ES is getting a bid. We still have no buyers. 18, almost 1,900 net sellers. But I think we've seen the lows. You guys might want to shut your bots off for the news. But we're still trying to get up out of this damn zone. Thirty seconds to the news. New bars all the way around. If we're going to go up, we're pretty darn close to going up. I would still try a 140 long. Didn't get there. It's a miss. Okay, long 40. Come on, let's go. Bounce. First target maybe 47, 48. Right here you can take one off. Took one off. Took one off. We're going to have to get through 51. Take the rest off if you want. I'm out. I'm flat. I'm flat. My stop is 40 on gold, 40. I'm still in it, but if it hits stop, you'll see it here. Let me take a look at, see what the hell's going on. Let me look at SPX. SPX is holding in there, guys. 4,100 calls are interesting. And now we're in deep shoot. Deep shoot with the NASDAQ. ES is hanging in there. Another buy zone down here. See if it holds. I'm not jumping in front of this train. NASDAQ can't find a buyer, fellas. Cannot find a buyer. My gold stop is at 40 and it's held. Came to 40.2. I'm not liking that she's not pulling up here. All right, guys. If it hits me, it hits me. Looks like it's gonna too. 2 tip out, down $100. Held the bottom of the zone, but that's no good. Yeah, I like 4,100 SPX calls. There's ES long on the bot. SPX 4,100 calls. If we can get above 4105, it can trade 4110. There goes SPX. $8, fellas. They're $8. NASDAQ, fellas, is in buku trouble. Buku. It's going to have daily support at 72.072. We could come 068. I mean, I would definitely be long off 068. I'm not getting involved in this mess. We made money on the NASDAQ. I gave it back on gold. That's cool. Guys, this is off that 15-minute short I gave in pre-market. This is a whale. I didn't take it either, so. $2,900, a break of 16 takes us down to 95. This is just non-stop selling. A break of 16, if you're short, takes us to 95. ES hanging in there. I don't see the ES. I mean, the ES is fine. It's just NASDAQ that they're blistering. Got no interest in taking along. I like ES better for the longs. YM is fine. ES is fine. NASDAQ, no bueno. Straight bull rush here, guys, on the NASDAQ. Gold support 37. We'll get them, guys. Just be patient. I'm not taking shorts in the hole. But if it's in your trade plan, if we break 16.95 becomes target, you got small buyers showing up now. All right, we could start a move up here. Candle close. We could start a move up here. I'm going to try the long here. Hang on. 47 is my target. 800 buyers in this candle. 800 buyers. All right, I tried a long. See if we can get 47. ES got target. 47 is target. Come on, big fella. Pump up the jam. Give me 47. Come on, be the man. 46. Come on. Let's go, Haas. Oh, 1,000 buyers in this candle, fellas. 1,000 in this 3-minute brick. This could be the start of the up move. Here we go. Come on. Come on. Order flow, baby. Order flow, baby. Come on. All right. Took one off. Come on. ES got target. Come on, get through that 34. Let's go. That's our target, 47. Let's go. Here we go. We're down to 1,400 net sellers. 1,400 net sellers. We got our target, pretty close to it. 47 is target. And then anything after that is freebies. I'm on the close. I'm flat. All right. Thousand buyers in the previous bar. So we're going to have on the NASDAQ, 168 is a possibility if this bottom holds. Got to hold this bottom in here, and then 168 would be a possibility. 168 happens to be yesterday's low. SPX got to 99. 4,100 calls should be marginally in the money. Where are they, Deepak? Yeah, they're up 8%. Hit 940. That's almost 20%. Now you're sitting on support. You may get a pullback to 95. on those SPX calls. Guys, if we can hold the bottom, it put NASDAQ shorted on the bot. If we hold the bottom, that puts 168 in play. Okay? Higher low here. Small sellers again, but selling is weaning out. If we get back above 142, this is going to be if we get above 45, 62 is our target. Hang on, guys. I need another chart. There it is. Okay. I'm watching for a move above, candle close above 45. It's trying. Small buyers in here. Those 1,000 buyers have been followed up by a 31 and now a 66. I think we're going up. But I don't have it yet. Yeah, it could have been long 33. I want to get above out. Heck, you dog. Come on, baby. Candle close above 45. Did not close. Did not close. You're going up, Deepak. They're now 880 SPX calls, fellas. 880 from $8. You're up 10%. We're down to 1,400 sellers, guys. Okay. ISM, manufacturing services. If this comes in lower than expected, we probably continue an up move. Everybody just be patient till we get past the news. There we go. It's a miss. We should go up. We should go up. Let them settle down. That should be good. Just hang on there, guys. Hang on, fellas. Let it settle down. Right back in the middle of that bar. Spike up, spike down, but it looks to me we should go up to 62 here. We're long, guys. We're long. There you go, Deepak. You should have half off at 970 from $8. 20%. There you go. We're going up, guys. 168 is now target. ES is back in a trade. $168 is our next resistance, which is yesterday's low. We now have a positive delta with another 1,600 net buyers in this candle. 1,600. Target should YM is short. I don't care for the shorts, guys. Going to be out on the YM short. NASDAQ gold quiet. Naturally, gold takes me out at 40, and it's right back to entry. Yeah, we should go up. Let them settle down. We're just chopping in a very small range, 20 to 120 to 150. That's all the NASDAQ is given. Gold just went long on the bot. Rat bastard. Seriously, is that a rat bastard or what? All right, guys. Seriously. There goes gold. Let me look at this gold. Oh, it's a rat dog. Seriously, it's a dog. Let them settle down, guys. This range is really, really garbage. Here goes gold. I want to puke. That's why I don't trade the Russell. All right, gonna out on ES. Got to hold this 120 on NASDAQ or else this low if it breaks. That was good news for the market, guys. Now they're selling good news. Listen, I couldn't agree with you more. I can't trade the Russell. I never could, even when it was TF, long before RTY. I've never been a Russell trader. All right, let me take a look at this SPX now. We may roll over and get puts. Nope. Nah, the ranges suck, guys. The ranges just suck. Back up to 800 net sellers. Listen, I'd rather miss trades, guys, than get beat up. I've traded just the two accounts today, up 165 and 145. It's only 10 o'clock. Everybody just be patient. 15 minutes don't look good. Hourlies don't look good. We breached 20 and that 16, and it's hovering. Here it goes. 95 is the target downside. Yeah, there's no point in getting involved in this until we get, till this, and gold's going to take me out of the bot. Until we get something tradable. There's no point in pushing buttons, guys. NASDAQ should come to 95. All right, so this is SPX. We could have taken a night short here. Watch this trend line. That could act as support. If we break below yesterday's low, SPX is going to get whacked. Here's SPY and Qs. Guess I forgot to do Qs when I did my charts. SPX holding yesterday's low for the moment, but I believe this is going to break down. You could take a shot at 85 puts, 40 85s. We've got no support on SPX until we get to 57. I'd like to see the candle close, though, below yesterday's low. We didn't quite make 95. This is no place to make a stand here, fellas. Yep, sit on hands, guys. Sit on hands. That's, I'm in no hurry. All we need is one trade that goes for $400. 2 contract trade for 10 handles, but the volatility is just obscene. There's no point. Small net selling. Small net selling. This is where you can try along if you guys have the gumption. There it goes. 140 is a target. We're pushing opening range low. I would try this at 19 on a pullback. Call it 20. I would try a 20 pullback. Hit me and didn't fill me at 20. Filled me at 20. Have buyers. You, come on, dog. Get back up there. Nope. Come on. Come on, buyers. I have buyers. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. Still have buyers. Come on. Come on. Buyers are trying here, guys. YM is trying as well. Let me see where the hell we can come. 13,080 would be the next area of support. It's a bullshit little inside candle. Still have net buyers. Our net negative delta, fellas, on the NASDAQ, 265 contracts. That's it. Going below 200. How does this not rock? $215. I mean, we have almost no sellers. I just don't have a place of support. Let me go to 60 minutes. Yeah, I got nothing. 96 with an add in at 80. 96 if we get there. Looks today we could come down to 13,020. Guys, the sellers are just really small. A little bit of support right here. NASDAQ bot short, by the way. Freaking hate trend days. Hate them. Back up to 500. Come on, tag 95, 96. We could bounce right now, right here. All right, Brett. Watch gold if it gets back above VWAP. Let me take a look at gold. Buyers in gold. Buyers in gold. If we get above VWAP, this can go. Come on, clear VWAP. Look at this. 4 net sellers, 5 net sellers in gold. Here we go. If gold clears VWAP, 45 is a target. There goes gold, clearing VWAP, fellas. Come on, keep going, baby. Come on, NASDAQ. What are you going to do? Guys, NASDAQ. I'm liking long NASDAQ. Here goes gold. There's NASDAQ. Buyers, look at down to 87 sellers. How does this not rocket? Seriously. I'll take NASDAQ long on a move through 24. Fucking gold. Can't get through. Up to 300 sellers. They're still beating it up. Come on, gold. Let's go get 45. Anybody long gold? $25 block by here. Come on, gold. Flat. NASDAQ is holding this bottom here at 103. I cannot get a candle to close. We're getting close to a bounce, I think, in the NASDAQ. I just can't get a candle to close above resistance. First candle that closes above resistance, I'm in. All right, here comes the breakdown into 95. I got to try that, guys, if we can get it. 96. Stack buyers. Are you shooting me? Seriously? There's a trend line that's holding this thing. You sucker. 99. I'll sell 22 if it gets up there. Middle of nowhere, guys. I'd have bought 96. I'll sell 22. 600 sellers. There's nothing here. All right. We got a shot. No. My short is 20 if we can pop to 20. I'll try a 96 on the long side. There's a buy zone down there. Not going to get it. $20 short. Got to back off here quickly. Come on. I'm on the close. Got to back off quick. Come on down. Come on down. Come on down. There you go. Go kill yourself. I'm going to take one off. I took one off. Just kill yourself now. Let's go. Come on, kill yourself. Die. Die. Thank you, Nolan. Come on, die. Need to get down below 09. Come on. We're losing the buyers. I'm going to kill the trade in about once flat. YM went long on the bot and got target one, guys. I don't think we're breaking up here. Yeah, we could go up. We could go up now. ES just went long on the bot as well. And gold just shorted on the bot. Come on. We're going up now. We finally broke that trend line. A little bit of resistance here, but we're down to 200 net sellers. If we can clear this 23, momentum to the downside is now waning. And the target is now 140. If you guys have the patience to trade it, target is 140. Still can't clear that. Nice job, Ray. All right. This is some support. I got to try the long, fellas. I'm looking for the buyers here. Not yet. But it's there. I mean, it's there. If this can break up through 25, I'm long to first target at 32 and then 40. It's got to break through 25. Freaking 300 net sellers. This is just a freaking joke. I mean, there is no volume here. 350 sellers. That's all we got. I'm pending the same trades in a PA account. So I'm long in a PA account as well. One. Same trade, 75 long. If this can get itself up above 82, apparently not. They can find some damn buyers above 82, this thing can go. $75, got 5 points. Come on, seriously? You can't find any buyers at monthly support? Come on, rock on, big guy. Rock on. Got small buyers up through 77, all sellers on the bottom. Come on, get through 82. If you guys want 130 bucks, I mean, this bounce is anemic. And no buyers. There are no buyers. Well, it's the problem with low volume. It's given money a couple of times, not much, 130 bucks, 40 bucks. Come on, telling me I can't get $250, $300 out of this off week, monthly. We're breaching monthly. There we go. This is ridiculous. Seriously ridiculous that I can't get a bounce out of here. Back up to 85. No stack sellers, no imbalances. If you guys want a couple $100, 150, 60, 80 bucks, you got it. Your prerogative. $200, bullshit trade, but it's green. I flattened that PA account. It's not. All right, we're pulling the 95 lower. We're setting up to go up, fellas. Again, if you want ticks, I can get you ticks. That's all I can get. I didn't take money. Gotta hold here. Come on. 65 is the last bastion of hope for this thing. 65. Big seller here. Still can't find buyers. No buyers. 2,300 net sellers. No buyers. Good Lord. $2.7, $2.30. They're pressing the hell out of him at 70. Guys, this 65 better be it. Or else this is going to be. There's your puts on SPX, Deepak. This better be it, fellas, or else this is going to be a straight. What? Oh, YM short. 66 and bounced. All sellers in the bottom portion of this candle. If it gets back up through this 239, it bounces. All right, I got an average of 70 cost basis. Got to hold here. No bounce. Jeez. No bounce here? Are you kidding me? This is it. This is it. 60 is it. 60 doesn't hold. This is blown up. I hate these fucking days. Come on. Guys, this is the same as yesterday. Not one level held. And then in the afternoon, every level rejected or held. This is just a straight, there's your puts, dude. Straight capitulation. I mean, this is capitulation selling. Yeah, 40.85s for 960. Yeah, Deepak, I was in a trade, so I don't have the puts. You paid 966. I see it. What are they now? You got to be in the money now, dude. Listen, you're going to hold those until ES hits 4101, 1130. Nice. 4101 is target one on ES and then free. Okay? Seriously, guys, I have to trade. I have to trade the way that I trade. Only if we get through 98. And I buy support and sell resistance. So the only thing in a trade is YM has a runner going. I mean, it could be. It could be they're selling them off ahead of the long weekend. It very well may be. But again, my job is not to guess as a trader. We don't guess or, hypothecate what the market may be doing. Our job as a trader is to sell areas of resistance and buy areas of support. Look, this is the trade that started here. This is the trade that started here. This is where I gave it this morning. That was the pre-market trade on a 15-minute. Okay? Right here is where I gave it, 204. It's been a straight downtrend ever since. Yeah, well, I mean, all the economic news we've been getting has been good. All of it. Jobs are coming down. So let's do bot totals. ES down 512.50. Hang on 1 second, guys. 512.5. I don't trade crude on inventory days. NASDAQ is off 200. YM is off 120. And last but not least, gold is down 360. Bots were down 1192.50. Trend days do not help. So let's do my sheet. All right, Wednesday. Minus 1192.50. Combine accounts. Most of that on one damn trade. Well, it only traded one account. Traded one account. That's it. Down day, fellas. Down day. Selling ahead of CPI next week. All right, so for those of you guys interested in the options class, I did not take a trade today. Deepak took 2. Through today, from March 6th through today, Deepak is up 58,000. This is real money now, guys. $58,371. Our win ratio is 75.75. Let's call it 76%. 33 trades with 8 losers. I mean, listen, man, you know, anybody that's in this business as a trader, whether you're in my shoes or your shoes on the other end, that never has a bad day or a bad week or a bad month even, is a complete and categoric liar. It's just not possible. It's not possible, you know? And again, as traders, we have to buy areas. Our goal, look, momentum trades are great, right? That's bread and butter. But you buy areas of support and sell areas of resistance. Now, yesterday we saw a similar trend, if you will, in that we cut through, and part of this is low volume. We cut through. I mean, look at, here's my NASDAQ chart, guys. I do these every single freaking day, right? You'll have to email me. We went through a daily zone. We held it at the open, right? We bounced a few times in this, but never came back up through. That was daily support. Get rid of that zone so you can see it. Former daily support, blew it out. 240-minute support zone, blew it out. 60 minutes, blew it out. Monthly, this is monthly support at 80, blew it out. Former daily support, blew it out. I mean, seriously? Not one zone held. I mean, there is no good size. The thing that I like about options, right, as long as we stay away from equity options. So if you're trading SPX, SPY, Qs, that day trader, $25,000 day trading minimum does not apply. I mean, you may get a bounce off Big Blue. Yeah, you may. It just bounced. I like the sell here. I like the sell better. Off 35. Didn't come far. But we hit that 13,020. If we don't bounce here, we are not. I mean, I've got zilch. We could come below 13,000. We could come to 960. I would think that at some point they want to trap these shorts, but they haven't bounced this market at all. You know, so here is our options trades. We broke below yesterday's support, but you can see we tanked. Here's SPY, same thing. SPY was a short here at 1036 at 407. Came to 406.15, so a point on the SPYs. And then NASDAQ's been a straight dump. Really, we could have been short here on the NASDAQ at 1004, breaking back below VWAP at 17. I mean, that's a 150 to 200% win. It's a big trade. But, I personally primarily trade the SPX, as does Deepak. Now, I didn't do any trades today. I was too busy getting my ass kicked. It's tough when you're getting punched in the face to enter a trade. But Deepak took 2 trades today. Deepak, how many contracts in your first trade? I'm guessing 10. Oh, 5. And what'd you pay on the first one? $9 and change? $9 and change? $966. So call it. So he's got 45, about $4,800, $4,900 on that trade. Nice job, Dennis. And he sold those puts. Yeah, I can do it with the market closed. And he was out at 1290. So 933, 1290, and or 9, I don't know what he said. 12.9 minus 9.66, I think he said. divided by 9.66. So 33% return. He made $1,621. That was on the calls, right? What about the calls? That was on the puts. What'd you do on the calls? You had calls initially. He bought the calls for 8. How many contracts?